So here we go. Next day, will it start? And, most importantly, will it move? So this is going to be Range Rover movement number 1 in F-off major. Make sure the brakes are on. Right. Great success. So today's job, should I choose to accept it, is to get it in the shop, obviously because it's raining, and have a look at some little simple jobs that needs to be done. But first of all, this is one of the reasons why I'm very careful about moving it, because it's been a long time since I've had a look under this car, and I want to do the wiring for the fuel pump, and I also want to make sure all the levels are good and have a check underneath. So that's priority job today. That might be a bit boring, so I won't really film all that lot, only if I find something interesting. But I've sort of finished, apart from the fuel tank covering over, I've sort of got up to dashboard. So everything at the back end is done. All the lights are working, everything's working. But I seem to remember I had problems with the intelligent control module, and I can't remember what exactly it was. I know we tried to get another one, a new one, but that fell through. So anyway, let's get this car in the shop. I just wanted to see it actually move, and then we'll go. So I'll tell you what, I'll leave the camera running and you can watch it go by. The idle's a bit high. I think I'm going to have to play around with the computer and change its adaptive values. Well, there we go, that's that done. It's in the shop now. That saves an awful lot of messing about than the forklift. One downside of it, there's a sort of a buzzer going off when I put it into drive or reverse, but no buzzer in neutral, so it seems to be like there's a wire run backwards. I'll have to have a look into that. It's not pressing, but it's annoying, isn't it? Anyway, we'll see you later.